Hello everyone, and today I have a new question with me, and that is I have a client who wants to take the website I designed for him to an SEO company to work on. He claims that every SEO company he has talked to requires him to also pay for a new website design, and that they just can't do SEO on his existing website. I have only ever done a handful of SEO projects in the last 5 years. Okay, so you are saying that you are also a designer as well as you also work on SEO projects. And while I understand that it would be beneficial to start from scratch and create a new website, I have never thought that it was absolute necessary. How do you approach SEO clients? Do you always require a website rebuild or do you work with existing website? Okay, just for those who don't know that I'm Ali Raza, I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as owner of a Google partner company, and we provide different digital marketing solutions including SEO, web development, web designing, and again Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads as well. So yeah, as far as your question is concerned, even if a new client gets on board with us, we definitely are flexible with the landing page, and even we do changes on the landing pages. Our developer do the changes without any extra cost for majority of the clients, unless and until it requires a complete remap. We usually don't do new designs unless our client asks, or unless there is a need, or unless there is a site. Let's say created site on wix.com. If the site is created on wix.com, we have to recreate, because we ideally work with WordPress based websites, but there are other CMS platforms as well with which we are comfortable. So it again depends upon the flexibility and willingness of the client. But if you ask me, yeah, we definitely work with existing clients without requiring them to create a new website. But if a client asks us to do, definitely it will be beneficial and it will be easy for us to create a remap, to create another website with the best SEO practices. But existing websites can be edited as well, and I think there should be a perfect combination of a SEO and development team together. So for those who clients who had just bought SEO services from us and do not work with the web development service, we have created groups where we discuss with their team regarding the changes we want, regarding even for some Google campaigns we have to get new landing pages, and we ask them with our suggestions, we give them examples, we show them the competitors requirement, and then they create a new website. So in case if a situation is happening like you, why don't you collaborate with the SEO team? Ask your client that go with the SEO team and tell me what kind of expectations he has with the website, and you will do the edit, and you can do the edit on the website based on the suggestions provided by the client, which he will get from the SEO company regarding what you are lacking on the existing website. So ask your client on what you are lacking on the existing website, so that you can answer it by getting like you can solve it by optimizing your website. But I have also seen that you have done a handful of SEO projects, so which I assume that you already know about SEO stuff as well as intent and how you can optimize the landing page according to SEO practices. So because you did it, so I assume that the website is already optimized, and when you ask the SEO company they won't have much to say about the changes missing on your website. So that is the picking point in case if you want to cross check the SEO company. I hope it answers your question. Thank you for watching, and in case if you still have a question, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box. Once again, thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you can see videos like this. Thank you and bye bye.